Hello everyone, we are live. Hi everybody. We're almost ready to create today's recipe with the TCPROM M 2.0 that you are seeing here. Hello Sue, hi Georgia. Hello. Okay, so I think now we are ready to start. I hope you guys can hear me well. There we go. Hi everyone and welcome to another fruity skincare live stream with Lisa, where we show you how easy it is to make your own DIY skincare or hair care. Today we're going to do some hair care with your blender. Today we're going to create a DIY hair mask for moisture and growth with the TCPROM M 2.0 by Fruity. I know that a lot of you guys wanted to see this TCPROM M in action. So today we're also going to use this to do this amazing, quick and super easy hair mask at DIY at your home with super easy, healthy, all natural ingredients. I hope you guys can hear me. So I'm gonna start. I'm gonna read you the ingredients that we're gonna need for today's recipe. Let me center my phone a little bit. How is everyone? Hello, Gabriela. Hi, Hannah. So for today's recipe, you will need, for this hair mask, you will need 1 cup of coconut yogurt. I'm choosing coconut yogurt, but you can use any other plant-based yogurt of your choice. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 drops of lavender essential oil, 1 drop of rosemary oil, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, which I have right here, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 1 teaspoon of neem powder. I also want to let you know the amazing properties of the ingredients that we are going to use in today's recipe. So we have here lavender essential oil. What does lavender essential oil do for your hair? It promotes hair growth, is antimicrobial, which is really good, prevents and kills head lice. And also it has a calming effect because it is lavender essential oil, and we know that the smell is amazing. It's also amazing for aromatherapy, and it leaves just amazing and nice smell in your hair. Regarding the rosemary essential oil, it protects your strands from breakage. It protects against hair loss. It soothes itchy scalps. So if you have dandruff or just itchy or sensitive skin, rosemary essential oil is amazing. And also it's antifungal and it improves shine. So after this hair mask, you're gonna have shiny hair. Then moving on to olive oil. Everybody knows the benefits, the amazing benefits of olive oil. Olive oil is high in antioxidants. It nourishes and conditions your hair, and also it leaves your hair silky and shiny, and this is what we want for this mask. And lastly, one of my favorite products, favorite plant on earth is neem. I don't know if you guys know about neem. Let us know if you know. Comment below during the live stream. Do you know neem? Neem is, I'm going to show you, this is neem powder. You can get neem in the form of oil, and the oil comes from the seed. And it's important to know that you can only use neem oil externally, because neem oil is toxic to the human body if you take it internally. And then you have neem leaf powder. So those are the leaf that has been dried and then grinded. You can probably even like grind dried neem leaves with your blender and make a powder. This is the powder, and we're going to use this for today's hair mask. And the properties of Neem, Neem is just amazing because it's good if you have sensitive scalp or if you have dandruff. Neem will get rid of dandruff. Also, it's amazing for hair growth. I've been using Neem on my hair for a long time. And I know that it's amazing for growth if you want to let your hair grow. And then it's also amazing as a conditioner and avert premature graying of hair. So we definitely want that. So I'm going to turn on my TCPROM M, and today we are going to use this is the butterfly attachment that you want to use when you're making whipped cream or even creams for your hair, products just that have smooth consistency. So this is what we're going to use today, and it's super easy. I'm going to show you how we're going to we're going to attach the butterfly attachment. It's super easy. You do not need to get your blades off the blender. You don't need to do that. You just need to align this middle bit with the screw in the middle. So just gonna do that, and you hear the click and it's placed. This is how you do it. Super easy. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the ingredients. There we go. So we're gonna start with always liquids first. So in here I have the olive oil and the agave syrup. So I'm gonna put this into the blender, my TCPROM M. And also guys, stay tuned, I forgot to say, stay tuned until the end, because at the end of the live stream I will announce a special code, coupon code that you can use on any of our products, including the TCPROM M 2.0, on our website, which is fruity.com.au, also onto our New Zealand website. So if you want to get an appliance and get a discount, then stay tuned. Then I'm gonna get the yogurt in, and I also forgot to mention that if you have long hair or also like medium length, you want to use, maybe you want to double up the recipe, so you're gonna use 2 cups of coconut yogurt. Those were 2 cups because, as you can see, I have long hair. Then we're going to add the lavender essential oil. I'm gonna do 4 drops since I'm doing double recipe. And then the rosemary essential oil. This is so great. Here we go. This is amazing for hair. Also, you want to massage your scalp, and rosemary oil is just super good for hair in general. So we have everything here. The lemon was also with the olive oil already inside, and the only thing that we are missing is the neem. So in here we have the coconut yogurt, the lemon, the lavender and rosemary oil, extra virgin olive oil, the maple syrup, and now we're gonna put in the neem powder. I'm gonna do about 1 tablespoon, a little bit more. And actually, I do have to wash my hair today, so I'm going to apply this after it's done. And it's so quick. So when you don't have the lid, the machine will give you an E3 message on the display, and that just means that you don't have the lid placed properly, or the machine is without the lid. So you want to make sure that you close. We have the butterfly attachment, and now we're going to go ahead and select the temperature. So I'm going to select the temperature at about 45 degrees, and that is because I want the hair mask to be a little bit warm. So when you apply it to your hair will open up and absorb the mask in a deeper way. So I'm gonna select the temperature to 45, and then I will select my speed. We're gonna do on speed 5, my time, and for about 30 seconds. This is super easy also to, there we go, 30 seconds. And there we go, speed, we can do speed 5. And you can also adjust the speed while this is running. So you can do whatever you want, it's super easy to use. And now just press play. Hey, Lauren. So this is the first blend. The ThermoCook Pro also does come with this super handy spatula that you can use to make sure that you get everything out and nothing goes to waste. There we go. I'm gonna give it another quick mix. Gonna select the time and the speed 5, and the temperature 45, as we said. And it's already heating up. You can feel the heat just by placing your hand on the jug. And now I'm going to put this in this bowl, or you can even put it in a container. So you don't need to, I'm going to use the spatula, and you don't need to actually heat up the mask in a separate pan and just make a mess. You can do everything in the ThermoCook Pro, and I'm gonna also show you how easy it is to wash and clean. It's self-cleaning. So this is the consistency of the mask, and actually those ingredients are good for anything. You can do a face mask, you can do a hair mask, and at the same time a face mask with those ingredients. You can put maybe a little bit less essential oil, maybe 1 drop. So this is the consistency, and the color is a little bit greenish because of the neem powder, and the smell is so good because of the coconut yogurt, the lavender essential oil, the rosemary. They really work well together, and the smell is so good. And there you go, you have your own DIY hair mask at home, and also face mask, and it's warm, so you want to apply this on your hair while it's warm, so the hair will just open up and absorb all the nutrients and get all of the moisture. And you want to leave the hair mask on your hair for about, I would say, probably half an hour, and then just wash and condition your hair as you usually would do.